Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues on Netflix. To know how to find a solution about Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click on the apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Netflix and you click. Then this page, we click on force stop and we click OK. After that, we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear case. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.